looking back again, I was a great motivator. Someone would approach me, or I would see an issue or challenge, and I would talk to them about it and try to motivate them through my own experience. And this is where I made a critical mistake, is I made it about me and not about them. Coaching is very different than trying to motivate. It's guiding someone, asking very strong questions, allowing them to get to their own aha moment, and having them commit to their own path forward. If I had have known what I know today, the things I'm going to share with you, I'm sure I would have had a much bigger impact on those around me through proper coaching. Let's get into it. Here's Gregg Thompson's definition of a coach. A coach is a catalyst to sustain personal change in individuals that in turn will tangibly impact the organization in which they work and the communities in which they live. That's directly from the book. I love how Gregg Thompson frames coaching. He really calls it co-learning. Someone's learning about themselves and their own behaviors, and you're really learning along with them in that process from a standpoint of curiosity and compassion. The research on coaching is crystal clear. Coaching improves performance. To build a high-performing culture, people need to grow. And as we all know, growth can be uncomfortable. When we get out of our comfort zone, that's when we really have breakthrough moments, but that can be incredibly uncomfortable. And coaching isn't always about learning. In some cases, it's about unlearning behaviors that hold us back. And our job as leaders is to point out, in some cases, those behaviors that are holding others back.